Question 1. What should you do if your accelerator sticks while driving? A. Keep driving and try to gain control. B. Turn off your engine immediately. C. Shift to neutral and apply the brakes. Answer: C. Shift to neutral and apply the brakes. This helps you control the vehicle while you find a safe place to stop. Question 2. True or false? It is legal to wear headphones in both ears while driving. Answer: false. It's illegal to wear headphones in both ears as it impairs your ability to hear important traffic sounds. Question 3. Fill in the blank. When sharing the road with a light rail vehicle, always be aware that it blank. A. Can stop faster than cars. B. Has the same braking capabilities as cars. C. May take longer to stop than cars. Answer: C. May take longer to stop than cars. Due to their size, light rail vehicles require more distance to stop. Question 4. When are you permitted to pass a vehicle on the right? A. When the vehicle is making a left turn and there is room to pass. B. On a one-way street. C. Never. Answer: A. When the vehicle is making a left turn and there is room to pass. This is the only situation where passing on the right is allowed. Question 5. True or false? You must always maintain a distance of 3 feet when passing a bicyclist. Answer: true. California law requires drivers to maintain at least a 3-foot distance when passing a bicyclist. Question 6. Fill in the blank. A pedestrian using a guide dog or white cane always has the right-of-way blank. A. Unless they are crossing against a red light. B. Even when crossing against a red light. C. Only at marked crosswalks. Answer: B. Even when crossing against a red light. Drivers must always yield to visually impaired pedestrians. Question 7. At an intersection with a stop sign, but no crosswalk, where should you stop? A. At the stop sign. B. Before entering the intersection. C. At the edge of the intersection. Answer: B. Before entering the intersection. If there is no crosswalk, stop before the intersection itself. Question 8. True or false? You may leave a child unattended in a vehicle if the engine is off and the keys are not in the ignition. Answer: false. Leaving a child unattended in a vehicle is dangerous and illegal under any circumstances. Question 9. Fill in the blank. If you have a green light but traffic is blocking the intersection, you should blank. A. Enter the intersection and wait. B. Stay out of the intersection until traffic clears. C. Honk to clear the traffic. Answer: B. Stay out of the intersection until traffic clears. Do not block the intersection. Question 10. What is the minimum following distance under ideal driving conditions? A. 2 seconds. B. 3 seconds. C. 4 seconds. Answer: B. 3 seconds. This provides a safe distance for reaction and stopping. Question 11. True or false? You may drive off of the paved roadway to pass another vehicle. Answer: false. It's illegal to leave the paved portion of the road to pass another vehicle. Question 12. Fill in the blank. When driving near a blind pedestrian who is preparing to cross the street, you should blank. A. Sound your horn to alert them of your presence. B. Slow down and stop if necessary. C. Continue at your normal speed. Answer: B. Slow down and stop if necessary. You should always yield to blind pedestrians. Question 13. What should you do if you are involved in a collision? A. Leave the scene immediately. B. Move your car to the side of the road, if possible, and call the police. C. Wait for the other party to report the accident. Answer B. Move your car to the side of the road, if possible, and call the police. Always stop and report the collision. Question 14. True or false? You should always signal your intention to turn or change lanes, even if no one is around. Answer: true. It's important to signal every time you turn or change lanes to maintain good driving habits. Question 15. Fill in the blank. In California, a person 21 years of age or older is considered under the influence with a blood alcohol concentration, BAC, of blank or higher. A. 0, 5%. B. 0, 8%. C. 0, 10%. Answer: B. 0, 8%. A BAC of 0, 8% or higher is considered legally drunk for drivers over 21. Question 16. When driving in a school zone, what should you do if children are present near the road? A. Drive at the same speed as usual. B. Stop and let them cross. C. Slow down and prepare to stop if necessary. Answer: C. Slow down and prepare to stop if necessary. Always exercise caution and be ready to stop in school zones. Question 17. True or false? It is legal to make a U-turn in a business district. Answer: false. U-turns in business districts are generally prohibited unless a sign indicates otherwise. Question 18. Fill in the blank. On a divided highway, if an emergency vehicle is stopped with its lights flashing, you must blank. A. Move over if safe or slow down. B. Maintain your current speed and lane. C. Stop regardless of your lane. Answer: A. Move over if safe or slow down. This is to ensure the safety of emergency personnel. Question 19. What should you do if you encounter an aggressive driver? A. Try to outdrive them. B. Stop and confront them. C. Stay calm, keep your distance, and avoid eye contact. Answer: C. Stay calm, keep your distance, and avoid eye contact. Do not engage with aggressive drivers. Question 20. True or false? You can turn left at a red light from a one-way street onto another one-way street. Answer: true. In California, it's legal to turn left from a one-way street onto another one-way street on a red light, after stopping and ensuring it is safe. Question 21. Fill in the blank. When two vehicles meet on a steep hill where neither can pass, the vehicle blank has the right of way. A. Going uphill. B. Going downhill. C. That is larger. Answer: A. Going uphill. The vehicle going uphill has the right of way in such situations. Question 22. What is the maximum speed limit when driving within 500 to 1,000 feet of a school while children are outside? A. 25 miles per hour. B. 15 miles per hour. C. 35 miles per hour. Answer: A. 25 miles per hour. This reduced speed limit is to ensure the safety of children in the vicinity of schools. Question 23. True or false? You must always stop for a school bus with its red lights flashing and stop arm extended, regardless of your direction of travel. Answer: false. If you are on the opposite side of a divided highway, you do not need to stop. Question 24. Fill in the blank. When parking uphill on a street with a curb, your front wheels should be blank. A. Turned away from the curb. B. Turned towards the curb. C. Kept straight. Answer: A. Turned away from the curbie. This ensures that if your vehicle rolls, it will roll away from traffic. Question 25. When a traffic signal light turns green, you should A. Check the intersection for pedestrians and other vehicles before proceeding. B. Proceed immediately. C. Accelerate as quickly as possible. Answer A. Check the intersection for pedestrians and other vehicles before proceeding. Always ensure the intersection is clear. Question 26. True or false? If your vehicle starts to hydroplane, you should accelerate to regain control. Answer. False. If your vehicle starts to hydroplane, you should ease off the accelerator and steer straight. Question 27. Fill in the blank. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic light changes from green to yellow. You should blank. A. Speed up to cross before the light turns red. B. Stop before entering the intersection, if it is safe to do so. C. Continue at your current speed. Answer. B. Stop before entering the intersection, if it is safe to do so. A yellow light means prepare to stop. Question 28. What is the primary reason that drinking alcohol and then driving is dangerous? A. Alcohol dulls the senses and impairs thinking and coordination. B. It is more likely to make you sleepy. C. It increases aggressiveness. Answer. A. Alcohol dulls the senses and impairs thinking and coordination, making driving dangerous. Question 29. True or false? You should use your high beams in fog, snow, or heavy rain. Answer. False. High beams can reflect off precipitation and impair visibility. Use low beams instead. Question 30. Fill in the blank. When following a motorcycle, drivers must remember that motorcycles can blank than other vehicles. A. Stop more quickly. B. Stop more slowly. C. Only stop at the same speed. Answer. A. Stop more quickly. Motorcycles often have shorter stopping distances, so maintain a safe following distance. Question 31. When you see livestock on or near the roadway, you should A. Speed up to pass them quickly. B. Follow directions from the person in charge of the animals. C. Honk continuously to scare them off. Answer. B. Follow directions from the person in charge of the animals. This ensures safety for the animals, the herder, and drivers. Question 32. True or false? When driving in a heavy rainstorm during the day, you must turn on your headlights. Answer. True. California law requires drivers to use their headlights during any adverse weather conditions that reduce visibility. Question 33. Fill in the blank. When parking next to a curb on a level street, your wheels should be blank. A. Turned towards the curb. B. Turned away from the curb. C. Parallel to the curb. Answer. C. Parallel to the curbie. This position ensures that your car does not roll into traffic. Question 34. What should you do if an emergency vehicle with flashing lights and a siren is approaching from either direction? A. Speed up and clear the lane. B. Pull over to the right edge of the road and stop. C. Continue driving at the same speed. Answer. B. Pull over to the right edge of the road and stop. This allows the emergency vehicle to pass safely. Question 35. True or false? It is legal to drive in a bike lane no more than 200 feet before making a right turn. Answer. True. California law permits drivers to enter the bike lane when preparing to make a right turn, but not more than 200 feet before the turn. Question 36. Fill in the blank. If you are driving and a dust storm blows across the freeway reducing your visibility, you should blank. A. Turn on your high beams and continue driving. B. Reduce your speed and turn on your headlights. C. Pull off the road and wait for visibility to improve. Answer. C. Pull off the road and wait for visibility to improve. It's safest to stop driving until the dust storm passes. Question 37. In California, what is the maximum speed limit on most two-lane undivided highways unless otherwise posted? A. 55 miles per hour. B. 65 miles per hour, C. 70 miles per hour. Answer: A. 55 miles per hour. This is the standard speed limit on two-lane undivided highways in California. Question 38. True or false? You must yield the right-of-way to all emergency vehicles using a siren, air horn, or a red or blue flashing light. Answer: true. California law requires drivers to yield to emergency vehicles using sirens or flashing lights. Question 39. Fill in the blank. When merging onto a highway, it is important to blank. A. Slow down and wait for a gap in traffic. B. Speed up to match the flow of traffic. C. Stop and wait for a gap in traffic. Answer: B. Speed up to match the flow of traffic. Merging at the same speed as traffic allows for a smoother and safer entry onto the highway. Question 40. What is the first thing you should do during an enforcement stop by a police officer? A. Get out of your vehicle and approach the officer. B. Turn off your engine and keep your hands on the steering wheel. C. Pull out your driver's license and registration. Answer: B. Turn off your engine and keep your hands on the steering wheel. This ensures officer safety and shows that you are not a threat.